Hello, my name is Dia Al-Shamari. I have a PhD in computer science from RMIT University in 2014. Today, I'm going to explain how to write professional code using one of the advanced LLM like ChatGPT or Copilot. And the task for today is to access the LLM and summarize a website of one of the academic and summarize them like a CV and put them in a JSON format. And to do that, the first step, in fact, we need to secure a communication API key with one of the LLMs we decide to use. So I decided to communicate with Gemini LLM just because it provides a free key for that API communication. So the first step is how to get that key. Just search for, let's say, get a free Gemini API key. You'll get the Google website for Gemini keys. So here in this website, we can go to pricing. And you can see here you have the option to get a paid key or you get the free key. For today, we are trying to establish our code example. So we are going with the free key. So just click on get started for free. And here you can see this is the management site for the API key for Gemini. So from this bar, you can see get API key. You click on that. You can go to the top right corner, create API key, and you can create a project and then you get the key. In my case, I already created the project, so I have the key here, you can see. So you can just copy that and save it for later. Then you just simply go to, for example, the ChatGPT and just tell him, hi, I need to write Python code that access Gemini LLM using Gemini API key and access a website for an academic. Let Gemini summarize the website and build a CV for that academic and put it in a JSON format, please. Now the ChatGPT is actually building the code. We will get the results in a few seconds maybe. So now the ChatGPT telling us we need to install and set API key, which we already have it. So, and here's an example. of the code. I think it's still building. Okay, now it's complete. This is how to run it. And in my case, I will just copy the code. I will get out of this. I already using the Visual Studio code actually to run the Python. I will tell him to open a new file, Python file, and we paste. Okay, make sure we save our file. Let's put it on the desktop. Let's name it as academic CV. Okay, first thing we do is to make sure we put the key we generated in the right place. So here is the key. Okay, here we have the API key. Put your Gemini key here. Okay. And the other thing is to write the right URL for the academic. Okay, we have here the academic URL in this place. I will use my website as an example. I will copy that and put it here. Okay, make sure to save. Now let's start debugging and run the Python debugging. Okay, I see it's accessing the website. It takes a bit of time to summarize the website as a CV. Oh, okay, that's good. We got the result as you see in JSON. Let's make sure it works as a JSON format. Okay, so let's use the same editor to save this result. I will remove our code. I will put the results and we'll save it as a JSON file. Oh, we have the extension here. I will keep the same name with JSON extension. Save. Now let's get out of this and go to our file. We save it here. This is the academic CV. Okay, you can see it's automatically opened by the browser. We got the results as a CV. All the URL website is summarized and in JSON format. Thank you very much.